Just got here at Scentxplore, guys. Check out the fragrances they got inside.
Trying to get feedback.
What's your birth sign?
Gemini? Is that what you're looking for?
Yep, but when is your birthday? June what?
3rd.
Yeah, you're a Gemini.
Okay, yeah.
But that's fog, that's fire, which actually some air signs like fire, and that's dangerous.
I like it. It's definitely good.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Looks like everybody.
These are really good. Cherry pump, jasmine, big child.
Yo, what do you think about this?
All of the potatoes and the entire line.
It's salty inside because
That's a crazy one.
That's good. Yo, this one I like too.
That's so good. This one, I like all of it. I don't know how you do it. I feel like this, I was here last year. I probably told you the same thing.
It is more fun. It's too fun. It's easy for us to explore. I was telling people my friend, 150. And the 150 that's a good deal.
Ultimate selection is in
Yeah.
opening.
You smell the cardamom? Yeah, I think. Is that your
Chico ahora hablando que intentó comprarlo por la página, un amigo tuyo en España no está en la página, está lo que.
What's that place called?
They were yeah.
Okay.
You said you had chocolate? This one has chocolate in it?
That's fine. You have the paper. I'll try to see what it is.
The one I said before, I asked you if you had something for mine.
I like that. It's very airy. It's light.
Slightly animalic.
We're gonna walk around, guys, and I'm gonna give you.
I can smell the combination.
thank you very much. Let's go back.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to let Kelly smell a new fragrance that I bought, so it'll be a first impression for her. I smelled this fragrance at Scentxplore. It was awesome. I literally highly recommend you guys get a sample from the brand, order decants or discovery set and try them out. This is my first purchase from the brand, and Kelly's going to tell you the name of the fragrance brand.
It's Bohoboco.
Cool. And then a nice little sticker up top. The owner is actually Michael. I met him there. You guys seen the picture. He seems like a real cool guy. He has a brother as well. This fragrance here is a sea salt caramel. So it has awesome notes in it. So I'll open it up here and we're gonna go over it. And what I'll do is real quick, I'm gonna post the notes on the screen real quick. All right, open up the 50 ml bottle and I will leave the price information down below. Nice little presentation inside. Comes in another little nice little packaging, which is nice. So it's all sealed up on top, inside of a box. Open like this. Opens up like this. And another box, which is cool. At least you know the fragrances are secured and you're not gonna break. So, this right here. So I'm gonna have her, that's cool, little purple inside. And then one of her favorite colors, purple. Nice little cap.
Oh, it's velvet.
Nice, yeah. I'm gonna spray this here. So, no breakdown for this fragrance here. We have is sea salt, lemon, pink pepper in the top. The mid is jasmine, bay leaf, seagrass. In the base we have caramel, salt, brown sugar, and cedar. How do you feel about this one?
Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah, this one I smelled, I was like, this is cool because it has that freshness, that sea saltiness, but it has a little bit of that caramel, like a sweetness, but it's a mixture of both. It's not like a sea salty, like overall sea salty fresh fragrance. It's a fresh and it's sweet. And I feel like it's unisex where a man can wear as well as a woman. I mean, maybe some women might like because of the nice sweetness in it, but I feel like anybody could wear this.
Yeah, this is a nice sweet fragrance, so you know I like it. But it's not, it's like well balanced with the
With the caramel. Oh yeah, so it
the
has
jasmine in it.
Yeah.
I was like, there's a flower in it.
Yep, there's
there's
jasmine.
jasmine, and I think the cedar and the bay leaf are helping like balance out that sweetness. It is just lovely.
really nice. And it's funny because I smell this and I really liked it. I sprayed on my skin twice at Scentxplore, 2 sprays, walked around for 2 hours, and I kept smelling my wrist. I'm like, I gotta go back and buy it. This is my first fragrance purchase from the brand. I told the owner's fragrance is awesome. I think it came out in 2016, so it's been out for a couple years, but it's my first time discovering the brand at Scentxplore. This is a phenomenal fragrance, guys, but you gotta like that sea saltiness, caramel vibe. It's not like a typical regular fragrance. It does smell different and unique where I think people will like it, but it will be different when you smell. You're not like, oh, I could pick up that DNA. Like, I can't pick up this smelling like any other fragrance I have in my collection right now.
Right, and I could see like people thinking like it's gourmandy from the name.
Yes.
But I wouldn't, it's not, it doesn't give me that gourmand, like, oh, I want to eat this. Like, it's not like that.
Definitely
It's
sweet.
Well, it is sweet.
But not,
which
I wouldn't say sickly sweet.
But it's not, I want to eat this fragrance gourmand-esque to me. It is just a nice, sweet, but has those counteracting notes that doesn't make it like sickly sweet. That not in a bad way, because I like gourmands. But when I hear the name sea salt caramel, I would think that means I was expecting almost like a gourmand, and it's not. To me, I would not call this a gourmand. This is just like a fragrance. Just because it has all those other notes in it that really balance it out and just make it very much a fragrance.
I'm going to spray her skin, because I have it on my skin already, but spray her skin and see how she feels about it. 2 sprays. So this fragrance here comes in a 50 ml bottle. I don't think they come in 100 ml bottles, but if they do, I'll leave the link down below the website, because this is my first time experiencing the brand at Scentxplore. There was a bunch of fragrance brands there, but I kept going back to this brand. It was awesome. I'm gonna let her smell it on her wrist, see how it smells differently. I like the nice cap too, it's very nice. Cool to see a velvet little top, like very different.
Yeah,
it doesn't click, but it closes down pretty nicely.
I think the caramel is coming out a lot more on my skin than on paper.
Yeah, I get a lot more caramel, yeah. A little bit of sea salty, but I get a lot more caramel on her skin.
Yeah, like on the paper, I'm not getting as much caramel.
Okay.
But on my skin, it's like boom caramel, which is more like in the base, and we just sprayed it.
Yeah.
Like we didn't let it dry down that much, and it's like instant caramel. So definitely totally different on paper. I like both. I like it on paper. I like
I was
it
like,
on
actually,
my
you like
skin.
it, so she likes both. And people
No.
said that you got to put this on skin because the paper sometimes doesn't do it the justice that it does.
No,
Deserves.
I was gonna say, it's great on paper. Like, that instantly drew me in. I was like, yes, fantastic. I love it. But it's completely different on skin. It's like a completely different fragrance on skin, but also fantastic. It's different. So you definitely need to spray this on skin.
So what would you give it 1 out of 10 on first impression? So you got to wear it more, but what would you give it, your first impression? And I'll give you my rating after she's done.
Paper, I'm getting so much more of the jasmine. And I would give that like a 7.5.
Okay.
On me, with like that caramel note coming forth so much more, and probably like the brown sugar, I would probably bump that up to like an 8.5.
8.5? Okay,
Yeah.
cool. I'm going to do
Skin.
my full review very soon, but right now I'm going to give it a 9 in that 8.5 or 9 out of 10. It's great. It could go up to a 10 depending on how our performance
Let me
is.
smell it on you.
I have it here, but it's a dry down. Very dry down. Kind of light now, but
Yeah, it is much lighter now.
this is many hours after being in New York City. But on my skin, I got a lot of the sea salt and I got a little bit of sweet caramel as well. But she's got a lot of caramel, on her skin. I didn't get that much on mine.
Caramel.
But I got a lot more sea salty, which I love. I want to sea salty anyway. That's why I
you
gravitate
like
those
that.
fragrances. But it's definitely a good one. I think it's unisex. I think a woman or man could wear it. I think it'll smell different on a woman than it does on a man. Might maybe more sweeter on a woman and more that sea salty freshness on a man. But definitely it's worth getting a discovery set. I think they got over like 20, 30 fragrances. They got a lot, but definitely get a discovery set. If they have them on the website, leave links down below or try to get samples online. It's definitely a nice fragrance you guys should definitely check out. Full review coming soon. Thanks for being on the video, Kelly.
Sure.
You guys be safe, and we'll catch a new video very soon. Bye.
Bye.